Hello my dear friends, I hope you are all fine. You know that the second PUC annual examination question paper pattern has been changed. In the new pattern of the question paper, the first part has the multiple choice of questions with the sum of the fill in the blank questions. In this video we shall discuss about the multiple choice of questions that will be helpful to you for your annual examination. Let us begin with the discussion of the questions. Question number 1. Which of the following does not represent a type of crystal system? Here are the options. A. Triclinic, B. Monoclinic, C. Rhombohedral, D. Isotropic. Dear friends, the first three options are the different types of crystal systems. That is the triclinic, monoclinic and rhombohedral. These are the different types of crystal systems, but the last one, isotropic, is not the type of crystal system, it is a property. So it is a property of an object or a substance which has same value when measured in different directions. Therefore the correct answer for this is the option D, that is isotropic. Now question number 2. If molality of the dilute solution is doubled, the value of molar depression constant Kf will be A. Doubled, B. Tripled, C. Halved, D. Unchanged. Dear friends, the molar depression constant is always calculated for 1 molality. So 1 molality means 1 mole of substance in 1 kg of the solution. So therefore 1 mole of the substance is always constant. Hence the molar depression constant will also be same, that is it remains unchanged. So the correct option is option D, that is unchanged. Question number 3. During the solubility of a gas in a liquid at constant temperature, when pressure is increased, the solubility of the gas in the liquid A increases, B decreases, C may increase or decrease, D unpredictable. Dear friends, the correct answer is option A, that is increases. When pressure of the gas is increased, the solubility of the gas will also increase, because the solubility of the gas in a liquid is directly proportional to the pressure of the gas. Hence the correct answer is option A. Dear friends, next let us take question number 4. The conductance of an electrolytic conductor is due to A. Flow of the free mobile electron, B. Movement of the ions, C. Either A or B, D. Both A and B. Dear friends, in the electrolytic conductor, the conductance will be due to movement of the ions, but in the metallic conductor or the electronic conductor, the conductance will be due to movement of the electrons or the mobile electrons. Therefore, the correct answer for this is option B, that is a movement of the ions. Next, let us take question number 5. In a reaction, 2A plus B gives A to B. Reactant A disappear at A, half the rate at which B decreases, B, the same rate at which B decreases, C, twice the rate at which B decreases, D, the same rate at which A to B is formed. Dear friends, the rate of this reaction is given by rate equal to minus 1 by 2 d square bracket A divided by dt equal to minus d square bracket B divided by dt, that is equal to d square bracket A to B divided by dt. Therefore rate equal to d square bracket A divided by dt equal to minus 2 into d square bracket B divided by dt. That is, rate of the disappearance of A will be equal to twice the rate at which the B disappear. That is, the B decreases. Here the 2 in the denominator from here is taken to numerator of this expression. So this d square bucket A divided by dt, this gives the rate of disappearance of A. Okay, so half the rate of disappearance of A will be equal to the rate of disappearance of D. So therefore when this 2 is taken to numerator of this one, then that will give the rate of disappearance of A. Therefore rate will be equal to d square bucket A divided by dt equal to minus 2 into d square bucket B divided by dt. Therefore the reactant A disappear twice the rate at which B decreases. Therefore the correct answer for this is option C, twice the rate at which B decreases. Dear friends, next let us take question number 6. Tyndall effect is exhibited by A. True solution, B. Colloidal solution, C. Suspension, and D. None of these. Dear friends, Tyndall effect is exhibited by colloidal solution. It is an optical property of colloidal solution. When beam of light is passed through the colloidal solution and observed at right angles, the path of the beam becomes visible due to scattering of the light. Therefore, the correct answer for this is the second option, that is B. Okay, now let us take question number 7. The method for the concentration of sulfide ore is A. Gravity suppression, B. Froth flotation, C. Magnetic suppression, D. Leaching. Dear friends, the sulfide ores are concentrated by froth flotation. Therefore, the correct option is B. Usually, the gravity suppression is employed when there is a difference in the density of the ore material and gangue material. Magnetic suppression is employed when there is a difference in the magnetic property of the ore material and gangue material. And leaching is a method of the washing the ore with the suitable solvent. Hence, the correct option is the option B, where froth flotation is used for concentration of the sulfide ore. Let us take question number 8. The one who prepared the first compound of the noble gas is A. Arrhenius, B. Faraday, C. Neil Bartlett, D. F.M. Raoult. Dear friends, it is Neil Bartlett who prepared the first compound of the noble gas xenon. Therefore, the correct option is C. Question number 9. The most common oxidation state of the 3D series of elements is A +1, B +2, C +3, D +7. The correct option is the second option B, +2. +2 is the most common oxidation state of the 3D series of elements. So in the 3D series of elements, +1 is exhibited by cuprous ion, that is U +1, that is copper. Copper exhibits +1 and +2 both. And +7 is the maximum oxidation state exhibited by manganese. And the scandium exhibits +3. And +2 is the most common oxidation state of the 3D series of elements. Let us take question number 10. The complex ion square bracket NiCN 4 times square bracket -2 is A. Square planar diamagnetic, B. Tetrahedral paramagnetic, C. Square planar and paramagnetic, D. Tetrahedral and diamagnetic. Difference: the complex ion is the inner complex ion in which the nickel is a dsp2 hybridized. So the correct option is option A. That is the correct answer. It is a square planar because it is a dsp2 hybridized, and this complex is not containing the unpaired electrons. So all the electrons are paired, therefore it is a diamagnetic. Let us take question number 11. The compound CH2 double bond CH, CH2Cl is A. Vinyl chloride, B. Benzyl chloride, C. allyl chloride, D. Isopropyl chloride. Dear friends, in the given compound, the chlorine atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So this is sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and chlorine is attached to this sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and this sp3 hybridized carbon atom is next to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Therefore, this compound is the allyl chloride. That is third option is correct answer for this one. Answer C. So allyl chloride is the given type of compound. Now question number 12. The most acidic compound among the following is A. Phenol, B. Cresol, C. Paranitrophenol, D. Picric acid. Dear friends, you know that the acidity of the compound is increased by presence of the electron withdrawing group and decreased by presence of the electron releasing group. Here the most acidic is the picric acid, because picric acid contains the 3 electron withdrawing groups. So 3 electron withdrawing groups in picric acid are the nitro groups. So as the number of electron withdrawing group increases, acidity will also increase. So paranitrophenol contains 1 electron withdrawing group, and picric acid contains 3 electron withdrawing groups. So definitely it is more acidic than paranitrophenol. But paracresol contains electron releasing group, CH3 group. It is electron releasing group present in paracresol. So it is less acidic because it decreases acidity of the phenol, and phenol is not containing either electron withdrawing or electron releasing group. So it is not most acidic. The most acidic is the picric acid. Hence the correct answer is option D, that is picric acid. Now let us take question number 13. The common test for ethanol and ethanol is A. Iodoform test, B. Carbylamine test, C. 2,4-DNP test, D. Tolerance reagent test. Dear friends, the correct answer for this is option A, that is iodoform test, because this carbylamine test is answered by the primary amines. So ethanol and ethanol both are not primary amines. 2,4-DNP test is a common test for aldehydes and ketones, and here among these compounds ethanol is neither aldehyde nor ketone, so it will not answer 2,4-DNP test, but ethanol will answer 2,4-DNP test. And the last one, tolerance reagent test, is answered only by ethanol but not ethanol. So the correct answer for this is option A, that is iodoform test. So both ethanol and ethanol will form the yellow crystalline precipitate of the iodoform. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 14. The amine that cannot be prepared by Gabriel-Phthalimide reaction is A. methanamine, B. ethanamine, C. aniline, D. propanamine. Dear friends, this Gabriel-Phthalimide reaction is a method of preparing the aliphatic amines but not the aromatic amines. Therefore, the correct answer for this is option C, that is aniline. Aniline is an aromatic amine, so it cannot be prepared by Gabriel-Phthalimide reaction. So in Gabriel-Phthalimide reaction, we make use of the haloalkane. So haloalkane is reacted with the N-potassium phthalimide, which will only form the aliphatic amine. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, that is aniline. Question number 15. Sucrose is a disaccharide of A. Glucose and galactose, B. Glucose and fructose, C. Galactose and fructose, D. Glucose and glucose. Difference. Sucrose is a disaccharide formed by condensation of alpha D plus glucopyranose and beta D minus fructopyranose. So alpha D plus glucopyranose means that is a glucose in the pyran form, which is the alpha form. So it is called alpha D plus glucopyranose. Beta D minus fructofuranose means it is the fructose in the furan form, that is a 5-membered ring form, and it is in the beta form. So glucose is in the 6-membered ring form, fructose in the 5-membered ring form. So it is the disaccharide of glucose and fructose. Hence the correct answer is option B, that is glucose and fructose. Dear friends, thank you very much.